Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to send mass email on Hubspot. So first thing that you do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then log into your Hubspot account. So once you're here, you just have to go to the email section. So just go here, right? So just go to the marketing. That's right. And then you have here the email. So click on it. So once you're here, you just have to click on the create email option. Right, so we have here the sending method. So we have regular, automated, and blog. So we are going to use the regular for this video. And then the next thing that you're going to do is to select your templates. And then if you want to start from scratch, so you can also select this one. So for example, I'm going to use this template. So just simply click on the choose a template option. After that, right here, once you're done making your the content of your template or email, just have to click on the send to option at the top. Then here, how will you send this email? So of course, we are going to select to a segment of contacts. And then for the subscription type, so you just have to select your subscription type. And then for the send to option, you have to make sure to select your contact. So here we have the individual contacts, and then if you would like to import a segment of contacts, you just have to click on this one. Then here you just have to upload your files. So before you upload your files below, you just have to make sure that your file is ready to be imported. So you just have to upload, and then the next step is the map and then the details of your emails. So all of the contacts that you have added here on the send to option will receive the same email. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.